Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and I want to ask you something. Are you also looking for big size balcony in city like Mumbai where it's nearly impossible to find, or flats with cross ventilation so you have enough air coming in your house, or apartments where you don't have to go out in search of restaurants, you have it right inside your society? So here I am with the right choice for you. Welcome to Crest Golshire by Crest Ventures. Yes, you heard it right. So today I'm going to be giving you project overview of this very amazing property, so stay tuned. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office and the actual tower is also over here. Have a look at it. The construction work is going on. Now you can also check the main road and the neighborhood. Have a look at it. This road leads you to highway. In this video, we are going to be talking about the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 2.7 acres with 6 towers, currently launching 2 with ground plus 23 floors with configuration of 3 and 4 BHK. Talking about the connectivity, this project is located in Chembur opposite to Bombay Golf Club. As you can see, it's right over there. With Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes, Chembur Station at a distance of just 5 minutes and Atal Setu at a distance of just 20 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has very luxurious amenities which include swimming pool, 8,000 square feet of gym, 2 clubhouses and 5 turfs and kids play area plus many more. And let me tell you the main key highlight of amenities, so they have golf simulator. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have a strong recommendation for you. Housey के rights to home buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers do not know what their actual rights are. For example, अगर आपने बिल्डर से कोई टोकन अमाउंट देके घर बुक कर लिया है और अब आप कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं, तो लीगली बिल्डर कितने पैसे डिडक्ट कर सकता है, ये जानना ज़रूरी है. सेकेंडली, लेट्स से पोजेशन के बाद अगर कंस्ट्रक्शन में कोई लीकेज इशू या कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड इशू आता है, तो व्हाट लाइबिलिटी डज द बिल्डर होल्ड. अ लॉट ऑफ बायर्स आर वेरी मच अनअवेयर ऑफ देयर एक्चुअल राइट्स. तो हमने ये सारे टर्म्स बहुत ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड सिंपल लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया है. So if you are going to buy a house, do watch our series to understand better and know where you're actually giving your money. ये series का link आपको description box and ऊपर icon button में मिल जाएगा. Talking about the carpet area, this project has 2 configuration, 3 and 4 BHK, with 3 BHK having carpet area ranging from 1100 square feet to 1500 square feet and 4 BHK having 1876 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI schemes. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for this project is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Crest Golshire by Crest Venture located in Chembur. To get more information about this very amazing project, do download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.